view the two flowers here. These are she's shrine. He was shrine. Ne, here it is, sharing the beautiful places in Japan. Enjoy watching, guys.
Beautiful.シャンシャンってそこに。
すごい。Sakura Town。でかい。ね。すごい。It's Sakura building. So artistic. So great, very nice. Impact Arisugite. So papasok na po tayo sa loob, guys, at ipapakita ko sa inyo ang view sa loob. Kaso nga lang, bawal ang kumuha ng video sa loob, kaya ginawa ko na lang ay ilagay ko yung mga picture doon. Kinunan ko ng picture at nilagay ko dito sa video ko. So enjoy watching na lang, guys. Ang dami po nilang klase-klaseng library, mga books, at saka mga events. Pero nasaway po ako, kaya so picture na lang. So enjoy, keep watching, at kami ay papasok pa. So tara na, guys, at itutour ko kayo dito sa loob ng museum. Picture nga lang. Enjoy. Tara na, guys, pasok na po tayo. Ito po yung ibang event nila. Diyan, ang ganda-ganda, kaso bawal ang video. So, yan, picture na lang. At dito po ako nasaway. Kaya balik na lang tayo sa labas, guys. Ang Kadokawa Culture Museum is the Kadokawa Cultural Complex that is a blend of art museum, natural history museum, and library. Museum Director and Editorial Engineering Seigo Matsuoka, Naturalist Hiroshi Aramata, and Architect Ken Gokuma have created a groundbreaking museum that stimulates the imagination and traverses between the real and virtual. So keep watching, guys, at i-share ko sa inyo ang Team Lab mamayang hapon. Outside pala sa garden near dito sa building na ito. So enjoy watching, guys. About the museum's architectural design was superb, by one of the Japan's foremost architects, Kingo Koma. Speaking of his design, Koma said, "My inspiration was the image of ancient volcanic deposits bursting forth onto the surface of the earth from the strata deep below our feet to express the vital power of the earth. The outside of the museum is fully enveloped by 20,000 sheets of stone and carved into 50 times 70 centimeters slabs." So keep on watching, guys. Enjoy the view inside the Japan. This place is the Tokorosawa per picture. Yan po ang view niya Grabe ang architect, guys. Ang ganda. Siya din po ang gumagawa ng Olympic design na mga building dito sa Japan. So, ang laki ng nasa loob, guys. Marami siyang shop, cafe, restaurant, restroom, multi-users room, infant and toddler facilities, ostomy toilet, nursing room. So, may gallery siya. Hanggang 5th floor po to, guys. Kaso hindi na namin kaya ikutin. So, punta tayo dito sa labas. Sa view ng labas. Ito sa harap ng shrine. Heiwa Shrine ang tawag nila dito. So, napaka-amazing ng mga flowers. At saka mamaya isi-share ko sa inyo ang Team Lab art nila sa garden. Mamaya po, keep watching. Dito guys, naghuhugas sila ng kamay bago magpipray going to the Reiwa Shrine. So, ganyan po ang style ng Japan. Papunta na po tayo sa Team Lab guys. Dadalhin ko po kayo doon. Ang Team Lab, Resonating Life in the Akon Forest. Located in Higashito Kurosawa Park, this space is managed and operated by the Kadokawa Culture Promotion Foundation. It features a Team Lab exhibition that has transformed part of the forest into a light-based, interactive art space as well as the Musashino Woods Cafe, an eatery designed by Kengo Koma. Enjoy the beauty of the Team Lab, guys. Very nice talaga siya. Nasa harap lang siya ng museum. Paghapon, bago magdilim, nagla-light up na po sila. Thank you for watching, guys, and God bless everyone. Hope you had a good day, and good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all over the world. Thank you for watching and see you to my next vlog. Keep watching till then guys, at meron tayong pa last chatter. For the meantime, tapusin muna natin ang view ng magandang lugar sa Japan. Ganyan siya ka-nice guys. Diba? Enjoy! And God bless everyone. Thank you for all the support, especially to all my solid friends out there. So keep going at laban lang po tayong lahat. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching and see you to my next vlog.